Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's an exciting unboxing video. This is 3 cases of the Modern Classics Premiums. So we are going to crack these open. Maybe there's something gold in there. It'd be nice, but I'm not holding out hope. If not, that's okay because the set by itself is pretty epic. I have not been able to find these in the store anywhere, so this will be my first time getting any of these cars. So let's dive right into it. Alright, so these came from A&J Toys out of Kansas City. I just got lucky because I checked their site quite regularly and went there and said they had these in stock. I was like, yes, please, send me 3. So let's start it out here, guys. Let's see. There is the one, my favorite of the set. Ferrari Testarossa in red. That's an epic car. We gotta crack this thing open. Take a look at it for you. Man, that's a nice red with the tan interior. The wheels are decent. Testarossa on the plate. I love that car. Super cool. What else do we got? A Mazda 323. That's a cool livery on that thing. I'm not too fond of the 323 itself, but we'll crack it open here and take a peek. I love the white wheels. That's cool. What year is this? Does it even tell us? Not sure what style or year. This is 323 GTR. Looks like an older one. Maybe from the 90s. You guys let me know if you know what year this is from. Yeah, pretty cool. Alright, what else do we got in here? We got another Testarossa, another 323. So we get 2 of each of these in here. So there is the Nissan S14 in black. Now that is a cool casting. And a good color to boot. I like that cool little Nismo graphic there on the side. Looks like the same wheels. Is it the same wheels? Looks like the same wheels, similar wheels, not the same, similar wheels as the Testarossa. But yeah, that's a cool one, guys. Next up, gotta love it, a 993 GT2 with the big wing. Big metal wing on this one, we'll take it. Look at the wing on that guy. That's insane how big that wing is. But I do really like that Porsche logo on the plate there. It doesn't say GT2. It only says 911 GT. It's interesting. Some good detail on this one though. I don't know about that wheel choice. Doesn't kind of go with that silver wheel or car already. And it doesn't even tell you that it's a GT2 or anything on the bottom of that one. Pretty clean bottom there. Still, epic. Probably my second favorite of the set. Those 2 right there. The top 2 so far. Another one of those. And a Toyota Soarer. So, I'm trying to think what this was called in the States. They had something, it was like maybe a Lexus version of this. So we didn't get a Toyota Soarer in the States, but yeah, it's kind of cool. They definitely went to town with that wheel choice in this set. Lots of vehicles have that same style of wheel. Nice metal base there. Yeah. It's a nice one. So that is all of them. You get 2 of each of those cars from this set. So I think it's time to crack the other 2 cases just to see if we happen to score a chase. All right, here we go. There is no chases in that one, guys. 1 to go. Black, white. Bummer, dude. 3 cases, no chases. Well, no chase for this 3-case unboxing, but some super awesome cars from this set. Definitely digging the Nissan there and these 2. Let me know in the comments, guys, what your favorite is. I do have one last thing for this video that I got in the mail with this order. Check this out, guys. The best 2-pack of the year. The Back to the Future Premium with the Toyota pickup and the DeLorean. This thing is epic, and I know I'm never gonna find it at Target because Target's the only way to get this in the 2-packs. So I'm gonna be looking out for it at Target, and then if for some reason they have some leftovers that some of the hobby shops get, I'm definitely gonna be on the lookout for them there. But that is just the quick unboxing for today, guys. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Stay tuned for our next hunt video, and we'll have some more unboxings coming out soon. Have a good one.